Hi, in this video we are going to see about best motorcycle accident liar Texas. And this is I have searched in Google. I'm going to guide how to choose a good motorcycle accident lawyer. Find out if they have a lawyer that's an expert in resolving accident cases. Don't hesitate to ask the law firm how many cases they have been taken in the past related to motorcycle law. Research your lawyer. Before finalizing your lawyer, Google him and also ask him for some reference. The next one is, what is the most common injury in motorcycle accident? Head and neck injuries such as consciousness and or fractures of the skull, or by far the most common injuries sparked by motorcycle accident. Your head holds your brain, which is the most powerful organ in all your body and also the heaviest. How long you should be sore after a motorcycle accident? Soreness usually subsides in around 6 weeks, while muscle injuries may take longer to heal. While it may not appear as severe as a broken bone, a damaged muscle can cause extreme pain and weakness. Over time, the trauma of a muscle injury can take precious time away from loved ones, friends, and even work. What are the qualities of best car accident lawyer? 11 exceptional rights your accident attorney must have represent you. Experience. This right is the first topmost requirement without a doubt. Compassion, passion for their work, the ability to tell a story, determination, realism, a steadfast approach, courtesy. Yeah, this all the content for best motorcycle accident liar. Thank you.